Could you be using modifiers to control where your fuzzy skin is the wrong way? I created this fountain, and every time I add the fuzzy skin to it, a weird line comes wherever the holes are. And the only solution that I found is this: to right click on the model, add a modifier, and let the modifier to cover where you don't want the fuzzy skin to be. And then go to other setting at the bottom over here. You select this dropbox and cancel out the fuzzy skin. And that's it. You slice the model and then you check that you have fuzzy skin outside where you want it and a non-fuzzy skin inside where you don't want it. If you want to decorate your garden this summer, you can click on the link in the description below. It will take you to my Etsy shop and you can get your fountain right away. And with that said, you can comment down below if this video helped you or not. And don't forget to click the subscribe button because it will really help the channel.